I'm Donna, Nell, Weston with Keller Williams Coastal Bend. Thank you for joining me today. Come on in, let's check out this beautiful home.
Welcome to 14798 Prairie Creek in sought-after Wood River subdivision. This living area has real wood floors, and I mean the genuine article. I love the massive fireplace and book shelving on each side, French doors. This is certainly a cozy living room for all the family to enjoy. This is your custom office with real wood floors. Or it's your fourth bedroom. You make the choice. This kitchen has the beautiful sautillo tile, plenty of countertop space, lots of cabinets, updated appliances, even those big pan drawers. Isn't this just the coolest dining area? 9 windows. That is a lot of natural light. The laundry room has folding space and cabinets. Welcome to the spa, and I mean the spa. Who wouldn't want this elegant custom shower? The garden tub, the copper sinks, and enough room to do yoga. Maybe it's hot yoga with the shower steam. Am I getting carried away? I'm not sure. Check out the cute little bar. Look at this darling half bath. 2 more bedrooms upstairs. We have a Jack and Jill bath, another custom shower with the glass block, so classy. You'll appreciate the lush backyard and the cozy outdoor sitting area.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And remember, when you get ready to buy or sell a house, it's buy or sell, call Donna Nell. The number's below.